This video shows how to use the YH35XX Programmer and Simulator. Check the required accessories. Remove the original chip from the odometer and solder the chip to the 35XX original car chip welding plate. Connect the YH35XX chip clip to the YH35XX Programmer. Confirm the position and pin definition of the original car chip welding plate. Tilt the original car chip welding plate at an angle of 45 and install it. Insert the YH35XX Programmer into the USB interface of the computer. Double-click on My Computer, then double-click the USB drive named 35XX Programmer. Double-click BMW Audio Standard Edition EXE to open the software. Select the chip model. Here we use 35128 as an example. Click Read Data ID. Check that the mileage readout is the same as the original mileage. Click Save Data File. Save the original car data file to the computer desktop or folder. And name the original car data. Click Save. Successfully saved the file. Click OK. Take out the original car chip welding plate. Replace the simulator. Confirm the position and pin definition of the simulator. Tilt the simulator at an angle of 45 and install it into the corresponding YH35XX chip clip. The compatible simulator operates similarly. Click Open Data File. Select the original car data you just saved and click Open. Check if the mileage is the same as the original mileage, then click Write Data ID. Data writing completed. Click OK. Click Read Data ID to check if the data written to the simulator is correct. Then click Correct Mileage. Enter the mileage you want corrected. Click OK. Look at the red prompt below and confirm that you have entered the correct mileage. Click Write Data ID. Data is being written. Data has been written. Click OK. Click Read Data ID and check if the mileage is the same as the modified one. If the mileage is the same as what you want, cut the handle of the simulator and solder it back to the original car chip position. If a compatible version of the simulator is used, solder the end of the wires to the original chip location. Pay attention to the direction of the chip. Install the odometer back on the vehicle to verify if the mileage has been successfully modified. Thanks for watching.